Hello everyone and welcome to Entrant. Today we will start with the fifth chapter of our book, that is Shapes and Designs. Shapes and designs hold a very important role in our lives. May it be the shape of the plate you have food in, the shape of the ball you play with, or even the designs on your clothes. Let us learn about them even more. The first exercise requires us to tell the number of triangles in these shapes. Starting with this one, we have 12 triangles. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, now 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Similarly, here we will have 11 triangles and here 13 triangles. You can try it on your own. Now the second exercise requires us to draw the biggest rectangle in these shapes. Like this one, in this shape, this triangle is the biggest that we can draw. Similarly, over here, this triangle will be the biggest we can draw. Okay. Similarly, here, and in this one as well, this will be the biggest rectangle. I hope I'm clear. We have this idea of shapes and we can do these exercises. There's a game going on. Meeta and her 5 friends are playing a game. Okay. Tinku is blindfolded. That means he is the dinner. He is asked to clap his hands as long as he wishes for. The moment he stops clapping, everyone has to stop wherever they are. The child who is not at the corner would be out. Okay. So we have this table which is in rectangular shape. This is one corner, corner 2, corner 3 and corner 4. We have Meeta over here, Raja is here, Chotu is here and Bunty is here. We are not counting Tinku because he is the dinner. Now where is Guddu? Guddu is here. He is not at any corner. Therefore, can you tell who is out? Yes, Guddu is out because he is on the edge, not on the corner. Where is Guddu standing? Guddu is standing at the edge. Can this game be played around a round table? No, this game cannot be played around a round table because why? This will be the round table. It will have no corners, right? So everyone will be out. So the rules won't apply here. Now here, look at this book for example. This side is an edge, this side is an edge, the below one is edge, and this is also an edge. Okay, these are known as straight edges because they form straight lines, right? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the corners. Similarly, edge, 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 okay, edge, corners 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, corners 1, 2, 3 and edge. All these are straight edges. So we just looked at non-circular objects. Let us look at curved or circular objects. So here there are no corners. The full area is the edge. Here, edge. Okay, take a bowl. For instance, take a bowl. All this is an edge. All this is an edge. Okay, so there are no corners. Look around you and identify things with straight and curved edges. You can do this at home. Do look at things around you and observe if they have curved edges or straight edges, they have corners or not. Second, do the things with straight edges have corners? Yes, right? Here the edges are curved, but when we looked at the book, the edges were straight. So book also had corners, right? There were corners and there were edges. Do the things with curved edges have corners? No. We can see over here, we can see over here, we can see over here. Try to find things which have both straight and curved edges. So, for example, let's take a bicycle, right? Or to keep things easy, let's take a guitar, all right? So, this is a guitar, right? Excuse my drawing. These are the strings. Here we have curved edge. Okay, this is the curved edge. This is the straight edge. This is also the straight edge. And here, one, two other corners. Am I clear? So, find more examples like this, like car, bicycle, aeroplane. Okay, try drawing those and observing. Next, we are given a table of few things. We have to tell if those things have corners first, the number of edges and the number of corners. Okay, so in a die, the first object is die. It has corners, yes. Number of edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the below one, 10, 11, and 12. It has 12 edges. Number of corners, you can see 8. A ball, whether it has corners? No. Number of edges, if we talk about circular, 1. If we talk about straight, no, 0. So circular, 1. Straight, 0. Number of corners, 0. An eraser, it has corners? Yes. A new eraser has corner. Number of edges, 12. It will be similar to that of a die. The only difference is die is a cube and eraser is a cuboid. Okay, so in simpler terms, die is in squarish shape and eraser is in rectangular shape. Number of corners again 8. All the things are same, just the shape is different. Okay. An egg. It has corner? Yes or no? No. Number of edges? 0. Right? Number of corners? 0. Sheet of paper. Yes, it has corners. This is a sheet of paper. How many edges? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy? Okay. Next. So we have to take the objects which have corners, right? This has corners? Yes. This has corners? No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay. Next. So we all have been to market. We have gone to purchase a rug or even a sweater made of thread. There we have seen a lot of beautiful weaving patterns, right? So similarly, Golu and Binu also went to the market and they saw some amazing colorful patterns, right? So, which geometrical shapes can you identify in these borders? First, there's a circle, there are squares, diamond, semicircle, a lot of shapes, right? Try this question at your home. Is any shape repeating in a particular pattern? Which one is? Yeah, the shapes are repeating. That's why it's a pattern, right? Are the shapes made of curved lines? Yes, they are curved lines. Straight lines? Yes, they are straight lines. Both curved and straight. So the answer will be both curved and straight lines. The next we have flow patterns. So if you have noticed, there must be a tiled floor at your home made of beautiful patterns like these, right? Like these. So usually there is only one tile, one type of tile, which is kind of like this or any shape, which is put together in a way that there is no gap between them and it forms a pattern. Okay, so there was this one tile which gave this pattern, one tile which gives this pattern. Okay, now among the following, can you match the tiles with the designs they would make on the floor? So we have to match the tiles and the pattern they would make. Okay, so here this pattern will be made by this. Okay, this pattern will be made by this tile, this pattern with this tile, and what else? This pattern with this tile. Okay. Second question is pretty easy. You can do it at home. Just complete the pattern. Light pink, dark pink, light pink, light pink. Right? Next, we have Khushbu and Hariz who live in Agra. So they went to see Taj Mahal and they found this pattern. Okay. Khushbu says that she sees two different tiles, one this type and one this type. But Haris says that no, there is only one kind of tile. They're just put in a different angle, different way. So what do you think? Yes, of course. Haris is right. Eventually, this is the pattern of the tile. If you just rotate it, it will become this. But the pattern won't change, right? You just put it in a different angle. Okay. Now, lastly, there's a treasure hunt. There is Frankie and Julie, and their mom has hidden a treasure for them. So let's help them find it. So the instructions starts start from the tallest tree. This is the tallest tree. So we will start from here. Done. Go forward on the pathway. Here. Okay. From the sixth tile, turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn left. Here. After moving a few steps, you will find a plant on your right hand side. This is the plant. Color the dress of the child playing closest to this plant. Okay, color the dress. Now, start moving from the plant. On the fourth tile, turn left again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn left. On the way, you will find the corner of the fourth tile is broken. Here, this. Okay. You will find a bat and a ball lying down. Don't pick them up, just circle them. Okay, just circle them. Now, move ahead and turn right. You will find a mango tree. A few mangoes can be seen. Color the 11 mangoes. Color these mangoes. Okay. Now, also draw some grass. We have drawn some grass. When you go straight, you will find a house. This is the house. Behind the house, there's a bag. this bag, and in this bag we get the treasure. That is it for chapter 5. It is an easy chapter, just requires observation and concepts. Keep practicing and keep looking for new videos. Thank you.